Abby's little light. Let's learn how to read a clock.
Day, night, hours, seconds. These are all words we use to tell the time.
Reading a clock can sometimes be tricky for children, but when you learn how to, it stays with you forever. There are 12 numbers on a clock which covers day and night, a total of 24 hours. 12 hours for the day and 12 hours for the nights.
Today we will keep it simple by just learning what it looked like for each hour of the clock.
Wait, have you subscribed yet?
Let's learn the different hands used to tell the time. This short hand is the hour hand. This long hand is the minute hand. Now, a clock is read in what we call a clockwise direction, which means both hands goes completely around starting from the right.
Whenever the long hand points at the 12, that's when we say o'clock.
Let's begin with 1 o'clock. Two o'clock. While we change the hour hand for each hour, the minute hand remain pointing to the number 12 at all times. 3 o'clock. 4 o'clock. 5 o'clock.
6 o'clock.
7 o'clock. 8 o'clock. 9 o'clock. 10 o'clock. 11 o'clock. 12 o'clock. While we change the hour hand for each hour, the minute hand remain pointing to the number 12 at all time.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.